You better find somebody to love, love. Singing in the car. Everyone loves to do it. But does it really count as practice? You better stay tuned and see what I say. Woo! I say no. Now, I'm not going to say don't sing in the car because maybe you love to do that, but it's not going to be a good habit for your full-voiced singing, your robust sound, certainly not for belting. First of all, you cannot get your grounded feeling and anchoring while you're driving, and hopefully you're paying attention to the road and don't drive like this. But okay, it's all right to sing as long as it's the equivalent of light conversation and not something that's going to take a lot of thinking about your technique. What about this? Fly me to the moon and let me play. Or maybe you just want to do a really light warm-up, like humming to vowels. Okay. That's okay, but really, you can't concentrate on your technique while you're driving. Remember the 3 parts of singing: respiration, phonation, resonation. You can't focus on that while you're driving.